Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Course Assessment Outcome Managing System. Let's see the abstract for our project. This project mainly focuses on the managing the information of the student, staffs, exam section and related information of the college, which is maintained by the college administration through various levels of controlling. The administrator can update the information regarding the student attendance, internal marks of the students, and any information regarding to the students, especially their subjects they handle. They can also view the student details for better understanding the student performance and improving the efficiency using their average marks and the maximum highest students using their average mark score. Let's see the flow diagram. Our project starts from our login session. So the user has to give their credentials, login credentials like their username and password. So if they are given the invalid credentials, means then we are validating that wrong credentials and we are reverting to them to the sign up page. So if they are not having any accounts in our project, in our site, means then they can create a new account by signing up in our project. So after signing up, by proper login credentials, by using proper login credentials, they can enter into the dashboard. There are two types of dashboards. One is admin and another one is assistant, that is the staff. So the admin's role is to add, modify and delete the new staffs and students, and the staff, that is the assistant's role, is to add students marks and extra details and furthermore details, and finally they will generate the report. So they can add the student academic details and their marks, and they can generate report according to their average marks scored and the maximum mark scored. Let's see the execution process of our project. So here you can see the login page. So first of all, we are going to log in into your account. Before that, you can use the password and username as admin, and once you have entered into them, the admin can add new staff and student like this. So the admin can add a new staff and give their photos and everything itself at all, and just register the information. So the password is something, you have to give the password and register the account. So you can see the registered account and the page will be redirected to the login account. So now you are going to the login into the staff credentials. Using the staff credentials, the staff is going to log in. So this is the staff dashboard page. You can see the images and everything of the staff details. Here you can see the first name and everything itself. So on the left pan you can see the new mark entry. The new mark entry is used to insert the new mark that the staff will give the new assessment mark, and they can enter the values for the student. Also in the left pan you can see the assessment report and topper students, average students and everything. So after, when you give the assessment details, and the values of the marks will be calculated automatically, and you can see the average students of the class, internal marks and average students of this particular, for a particular subject. So the mark has been added successfully. Now you can look the average students in the particular class, and so you can look the assessment report. The assessment report contains the marks of all the students, and you can filter these using the search results, like if you want to search for a particular person name, you can use that. So like this, you have to search this. So after that you can view the topper students and the average students and the below average students. So you can see the average students will equal to the average marks, and the below average students will less than the average marks. The average marks will be calculated by counting. Here you can download these reports by clicking this download button. So when you click this download button, the report will be downloaded as an Excel format, also as in the Word format. So average will be calculated by using the students count and the divided and the divisions of this students. So like with the dashboard, you can see the dashboard, the details and everything. So using this we can log out this dashboard. So once you log out this dashboard, you can go to the admin page, and the admin can add a new staff and new student. You can see the two options here. So to add a new staff, you have to click over to the add staff button, and you have to move to the add student button. So like this you can add a new detail for a student and also the staffs. So the staff details, you can have to fill these details using some details, and these details should be properly given, because the username should be unique. If you give the same username for more than one project, means it will validate and show you the error message. So the username you have to give should be unique, and the password should match the two cases. Now you can register the student details. So the student details is also added. So using the logout button, you can log out to that